Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in First United Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in First United Mortgage, all we need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.firstunitedbank.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of First United Bank, and from there you can find the online banking section where you need to choose on mortgage, existing loan, or the borrowing one. You can hit the login button and then tap on the continue option as well. So once you tap on the continue option, you will be redirected to a new interface, which is apparently this interface, where all you need to do is simply type in your username and your password of your account and tap on the login option. So once you have tapped on the login option, this will allow you to get access to First United Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.